Are you recording? Are you recording? Or are you faking? Because I can't really fucking tell. Where's my little thing at? I want to play with it. I want to play with my little recorder thingy. And I don't see it. Well, I would lose the most important part, which is the little clicker. Anyway, hey family, welcome back to another video, to your channel, to your show. I am your host, Sharon. In case you're new here, doing the most. I'm trying to do a new way of intro for 2021. I'm trying to do my intro different, okay? I don't know if y'all peep my new intro. My new intro, stay to the end so you can see the outro as well. So today is really Monday, but you're probably watching this on Tuesday. You might be watching it on Monday. I don't know. But I'm babysitting. Have my grandkids. I only have 4 of them. Oh, I have 4 of them? Or can I count? Wait, no, I only have 3 of them. Sorry. I have 3 of them. Yeah, my 2 oldest. And let me go make sure the little one, honey, because he's in here on my mountain bed. And I'm going to make sure we ain't trying to go to the hospital. See what I'm saying? Are you supposed to be in here watching Coco Melon? What you pointing at? Are you watching? Can you say hey? Can you say hey? Say hey, Nolan. Hey, Nolan. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Oh, oh, look what you did. Look what you did. You made it fall down. Did you do something to the TV or did it stop on its own? Huh? Yeah, you heard me. Hold up. Y'all sitting right there while I fix this TV for him. I don't know why the kids love Coco Melon so much, but they do. Come sit over here in the middle so that you don't fall off this big bed, little boy. Oh, my goodness. Get toward the middle. Get right here. Get under the covers. Put the pillows there so that you don't fall. Okay? Mama is not trying to take you to nobody's hospital. Now you sit right there. In between the pillows. Yeah. The bed is eating him alive. Look, my closet is still clean. Look at it. This is the most unorganized spot in the house. Okay, that's up too high, right? Most unorganized spot in the house. But I don't even really. So did I show y'all? This is where I put the mirrored. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not, but okay, stay up. This is where the mirrored 2 things went to that I had. So I just use them for storage in here in the closet, so that way I didn't have to get rid of them. I keep a dirty clothes hamper in here and then one in the laundry room. And I still have this storage thing with full of jewelry, and then I have like this is all the Christmas boxes that the stuff came in from Dimple, so I just kept the boxes because I thought they were so stinking cute. That's what the necklaces and stuff was in. So pretty, and they're all the colors that I love, you know. And in case I do like a giveaway or something, I may give these boxes away. I don't even know what that is, but whatever. And then this box, that's the little jewelry box that he gave me. Yes. And I have some silver jewelry in here. I have some of my rings in here. The rings that I have on today, with the exception of, I think, this one and the one on my thumb, are all from my store. Okay. And then up here in this basket, see I gave Dimples his gift in this basket. It was filled with all kinds of expensive liquors that I know he likes to drink. Super expensive, by the way. This whole thing was filled up. And so he gave it back to me with all my stuff in it. So that's how we done it. But I just have like my waist trainers, all them 1,000 waist trainers in here. And then like all my hair scarves that are in the store as well. Shower, tie back, thingamajig. And then all my hair scarves. And there is Kylie. Say hi, Kai. And then all my shades are here. Like all my shades are in this. Just random pieces of jewelry on this shelf. Like a lot of my go-to stuff. More rings. I love rings, y'all. And I love bracelets. I don't know if I showed y'all this one or not, but I think I did. I love dangly stuff so much. And yeah, so that's what I have in here. Just a bunch of jewelry boxes down here. I think I showed y'all this before, but it's full of jewelry. I'm just a costume jewelry lover. Like, I love wearing lots of jewelry. I love having it. Leave him alone, Kai. Don't make him cry. I have jewelry in this big one as well. Just random stuff. Down below, I have some jewelry that I made. And then even more jewelry in these boxes here. More jewelry in there also. Because I love jewelries. Look at him trying to get off the bed. See what I'm talking about? Look at this. How much room, look how far he's off from the ground. That's a long jump. Come on. Come on. Let's see if you can do it. So you would have hit the ground, boom. Been on the ground, boom. Up. There you go. There you go. Are those my lashes on the floor over here? Girl. My lashes. Oh my goodness, Kylie. Don't mess up my bed, okay? You just sit right there and watch TV. Let's go in here and see what's happening in here. There's other grandson here. He can't have those. He can't.
I'm not giving it to him.
Because he can't chew it. Say hey. Say hey, Braces. Handsome. My little handsome man. My little oldest grandboy. He's such a sweet boy. You such a sweet boy, ain't you? Tell my YouTube family hey. Hey. Say it like you mean it. Oh, you so sweet.
Just in the nick of time. And now it's time to unmask the clown behind the grease paint. Velma, how did you know? I don't know anything. I've been eating.
Can you say really into it?
Did you solve the mystery?
Can you say really into it?
In my mystery, the menacing metallic clown was Gary.
Look at my brows. Let me tell you what I did to my brows this time. So, first of all, I have on lashes. Okay, can you see them? Let me give you the back. You better back, sis. Okay, so let me tell you what I did to my brows. See, I thought the thicker brows was going out of style, but they've come back, honey. They have come back for the comeback. So what I did different was on the very front end, I do a brown pencil, like almost a reddish, like this hair color, on the front. And I'll go all the way up to the arch, right? And then I'll take a black pencil and then create the tails, the ends. And then I'll take a blending brush and ombre them in together very lightly so that you will have that faded light to dark look there. And these lashes are from, I've been looking for this. The lashes are from the Beauty Supply, right? And they're just HD. I'm not sure what brand. I think I showed them to you. I'm not sure. And I just did my eyes, my normal gold, dark plum. And then, you know, blended it out in the crease. Well, not crease. I created a crease because I don't have a crease. I have hooded eyelids. So I created like a lighter color effect up top. And then I just have on some bronzer, which is actually blush, which is a dark color. Well, it's actually eyeshadow, not even blush. Eyeshadow. And then I just contoured a little bit of highlighter. Because I'm a highlight queen. Y'all know I like a cake. And then light on that side like that. And then, of course, my hair. That's it. That's all. My outfit of the day consists of course, a tank top. Y'all know I love a tank top. Like clothes. And then pajama bottoms. Pajama bottoms. Hey, some people think you done damn moved in here, man. Like, this dude done moved in. No, y'all, he still live downstairs. He just spent a lot of time with people he's friends. Okay, look. I don't know if this thing work or not, for real. I think it's lying.
Hey, everybody.
It don't work. You say it the same way every time.
Right.
Hello, everybody.
Well, hello, everybody. What am I supposed to say?
Hello, everybody. The same freaking way. Same tone, same sound, same look. Everything is the exact same. It's like I just insert the same clip. Jeez. Hello, everybody.
You know what's funny too? That's how my dad sounds.
What? Like
That's
you?
how my dad sounds. Yeah.
My throat is itchy. Sorry. We're not doing anything today. Like legit, their mom she had a doctor's appointment today, so a super early doctor's appointment rather. So we're just chilling, hanging out, you know, not doing nothing.
Pardon me.
And Nolan is on the phone talking to someone. He's just calling somebody. I'm not sure who he's talking to over there, but he's on the phone with someone. Maybe his girlfriend, I'm not sure. He's walking off. And his brother's on the floor, Kai's in the room, and they're here. My throat is itching so freaking bad. I gotta go mail y'all packages today, but I can't go until daughter comes back from her appointment. Excuse me. Did I show y'all my pampas grass? Hold up. Let me show y'all the pampas grass. The pampas weed. I ordered me some more today though. Let me show it to y'all. Look at this. I'm so not feeling that. Okay. This is two. That TV is loud. This is 2 bunches, right? I sprayed it with got to be glue hairspray because it was feathery things everywhere. But this is how it looks. I don't like it. This is not. I'm gonna leave it, but I did order me some more today. And it's supposed to be here tomorrow. I'm going to show you the kind that I ordered. TV's up so damn loud, I can't think. I'll show you the kind that I ordered today. Like a few minutes ago. And it's supposed to be coming. What's the matter, Nolan? Come here. It's supposed to come tomorrow. Hurry up. Let me show you guys the one that I ordered. I ordered 3 bunches of this kind. Oh my goodness. Can it let me click on it? Okay, yeah. Look at this. I ordered. Oh, where'd it go? Oh. Ordered. Oh, wait. Turn you around. This is what I ordered right here. Can you see that? It's white. It's the longer, feathery, more fluffier stems. Right there. Come here. What's the matter? What's the matter, man? Come here. Who made you mad? Oh my goodness. Who made him mad? Who did it? So anyway, that's what's coming tomorrow. What? What is it? What is it, little man? Why do you cry? Why must you cry, little man? It's such a gloomy, cold day outside. Oh, it's great. Now, see, don't come in the office messing, okay? Don't come in here messing. You sleepy? I think it's your nap time. I feel like your mom said you take naps at 11 o'clock. Is that true? Do you want to go night-night? Come to mama and go night-night. Come on. Oh, go to sleep. Good night, little baby. Oh, little baby, go to sleep. Oh, little baby, go to sleep. Go to sleep. You just fit right up there, look. Go to sleep, little man. Well, you are sleepy. I think this is nap time. I think his mom said he goes to sleep at like 11. I'm about to be going up, rocking him. I'm going to rock myself to sleep. We're going to be woke up. It's 3 o'clock in the evening. Right here and go to sleep. Because you're sleepy. And I can go to sleep with you if you want me to. Would you like for me to go to sleep with you? Your eyes look tired. You ain't gonna miss nothing. So just go on, go to sleep. And when you wake up, your mama will be back. How about that? What do you say? No? No chance? You see outside? See how cold and gray it is? This is a perfect day. Oh, y'all, I watched the movie. I paid $20, by the way, on Amazon Prime to watch Fatal, whatever you call it, with Michael Easley. Is his name Michael Easley? It was worth all $19.99 of it. That's how much it cost me to rent it. $19.99. But it was so freaking good. I'm not going to ruin it and tell y'all what the movie was about in case y'all have not seen it. But it's on Amazon Prime. And stop pushing my hand down, sir. I'm trying to do some work and babysit at the same time. Your grandma's multitasking. Okay? Okay. I'm trying to check all my orders. So it should come tomorrow, like literally the next day. If it doesn't, I'll be so excited. I don't know what I'm going to put that pampas grass in. I'll find somewhere to put it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So I just got an ad from Big Lots saying that the weekly... Okay, somebody is sleepy. Somebody's sleepy. Come on, go to sleep. Yeah, you sleep. Him sleep. Yeah, he's so pitiful. Go to sleep. What the matter? Nobody done nothing to you. So Big Lots is running, this is not sponsored, okay, I'm just checking my email, up to 20% off of home office furniture, okay? So if you're looking to, and then they have candles on sale for $6 and under, cute containers, by the way.